Oh, oh, yeah. Whoa. Again. Oh, boys and girls, today it's time to do one of the tracks that are new. So not completely new, but most part of it is a new drawn track, or different tracks which we normally do not go on. So we head to the start. Nothing to it. I mean, this is a scary track for beginners because it can be really slippery, like here. But no one really cares. If you go quick, it's no problem. And you know, it's a bit rutty then as well. And now the cows are on the field, so no riding on the field. Oops. Let's see. There we go. Camera is ready. Let's start this lap. All right, guys. Let's go. We'll practice anyway. Everything got a lot more slippery than yesterday, unfortunately. So we'll see how this goes. It's always nice with wet rocks and roots and cows in the chicken field. That's all the cows. And a hawk. Jesus. Wildlife madness. There it goes. Let's see how this goes. Because rocks are slippery. That's a given. Woo! This is what we call the canoe hill. This is really steep. The rock is slippery. We need to be... Whoa. There you see. You can go sideways. Really easy. Not careful when it's wet. So this is a Tornsbacken, very steep downhill and climb. We go up this one as well, not today. And now we have a rocky section, which is much better now than it has been before. Getting stuck on branches. So this is the club competition that was last weekend, the track for that one that we're doing now. I couldn't join that one because of moving houses, slippery bridge, steep up, tricky rocky slope, keep your momentum. And now we have one other slippery rocky section. Usually we go to the right, now we go to the left. And we have narrow parts here and a lot of ruts or roots and wet rock in an angle. So yeah, you could see there my front tire slipped. So here you need to be careful. Jump inner track. Inner track in a turn. There we go. I'm going a bit slow. It's very slippery. So I'll sit down for traction on the rear. Slippery slope. This is high trees. So, gonna rename the channel too. So, I don't know guys, what do you think? All things enduro, everything enduro, enduro bloke. What should I name it? Oh. There I was lucky, didn't slip on the roots. Keep outer track roots. Remember, this is a new track, so I haven't really gotten this into my head fully yet. And it's narrow, slippery rocks under the moss. Wow, close one. I only have third gear in now. Fourth gear is more optimal when it's slippery. You go quicker over the rocks. That's fourth. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy. This used to be a mud hole. No mud hole anymore. Maybe mud here, who knows. I think, okay, no mud, just very wet rocks, sticker wet rocks. A lot of rock section here, which can be really difficult if you're not keeping your speed up. The front wheel will redirect itself. It's sore from yesterday, but I can do it. I can do it. Now we get a really, could be rough for some people. This rock section, you just need to know where to go. There we go. Keep to the left. Keep up to the right. Very tough job this. Oh, rocks, roots. You know, you can feed your front tire redirecting itself several times all the time due to the rocks. So balance. The grip, handlebar grip, super important. Stay squared out with your elbow. Whoa, got stuck with my foot. Root section now coming up, I think. I don't remember. Tight section. Good thing about the 350 or a four-stroker, I think it's the engine braking. I like to be able to engine brake a lot instead of using your rear brake. Even if I use it, but I don't abuse it. That's the difference. Here, tight inner left. Outer right. Wrong. This one is harder, but everything goes. Loosen your grip on your front, on your handlebars. Don't hold on tight. This one is tricky when it's wet. Yep, my front went out. First time I don't make that one in a long time. Of course, when I'm filming. And Michelin Enduro medium on, really like it. I mean, the Bridgestone X31 is an awesome tire, no doubt about it. Some rain. Fourth gear, no torque. Down one gear, hold to the left. Rocky section now can be really tricky if you get into the wrong track. I got incorrect. You just go up on the left side. Low hanging fruit there. High trail. rocks under the moss. Rocky climb. Wow, that was bad. Really bad. Getting close to the end. Just a few more meters. This is Swedish Enduro at its best. Technical, narrow, and hard. Or endurance, challenging. Ooh, drop. Now just a rooted section. There we go, one lap, pretty easy, but some small mistakes always happens. So we're gonna pack up my bag, my vest, head back to camp. So, some interesting news. I bought this, a 2008 Opel Movano. It's a L2 H2, so length 2, height 2. So I can stand in it, perfect. I can work on the bike in it, perfect. Transport shit and building material, perfect. And bike. We will have a rebuild series on this one. What I will do with this van. So put in new panels, put in a tool drawer, a diesel heater, probably a water tank, have a gas driven high pressure washer or a battery driven one. You know, trick it out with the cargo loading rails here in the floor, so I can fit more than one bike easily and strap everything down. Made it secure, put the padlock up there. I can reverse up to a wall so no one can get in the back. So securing everything, making it comfortable, putting in a fan to drive out any moisture. Yeah, that's it. The bike will love it, I promise. So, and we need to change name on the channel. I don't know, guys. Everything Enduro, all Enduro. Enduro madness, blah, I don't know. Everything Enduro, maybe. Yeah, that sounds like a good name, so let's stick with that. We'll see when I change it. I will of course not remove any old material that I have on the tube, for your pleasure to view it whenever you seems to or like to. Yeah, so I see you later. Bye bye. Cheerios.